it's me again. It's Tanya. So, in a couple of the pictures that I've posted online of my plate, I included these meatballs, and I'm getting emails and questions about them. So, this is the meatballs. I'm going to show you how I cook them. So it's pure farmland made with non-GMO soy. It's a plant-based meatball. It has 17 grams of protein per serving. For those of us who are trying to build the guns, we need protein. But we also need it for other reasons. But just to read the label to you, water, soy, protein, concentrate, coconut oil, canola oil, isolated soy protein, less than 2%, salt, roasted garlic powder, dehydrated garlic, onions, mustard, yeast, so there's really nothing in here for the most part. But as far as the nutritional label, it has 13 grams of total fat, saturated fat is 7 grams. The serving is 3 meatballs. The thing you do have to watch with this is one serving is 570 milligrams of sodium. So 3 meatballs, that's it in a serving. And total carbs, 12 grams, total sugar, 2 grams, and protein, 17 grams. So this works for me. So this is basically what I do, because people are always asking me, is... yes, I like spice. Anybody who knows me know I like spice. So this jalapeno is a little bit bigger than a lot of the ones that I normally use. So I'm just going to slice up half of it, I think, and just mince it up, right? I could have done this before, but you know what? The house is quiet. That's not often. Hubby's upstairs showering. He went for a long walk. Mom is in her room. Taylor's in the study. I need to do this while I can before I'm inundated with CNN. All right, so maybe I'll do the whole one. That doesn't look like a whole lot. Here I go. All right, so I'm just going to put that in the pan quickly. By the way, I think I told you I already washed the pepper. You know, I don't do that. Not washing hands, not washing stuff. That's just nasty. Am I germophobic? I don't know. Maybe not. But I like to cook clean. So I wash my hands a lot, and I use a lot of paper towels. Okay. So here's the deal. So this is fine enough for me. I mean, I'm the only one eating this, so it's no big deal. All right. And then I'm going to take, I like elephant garlic, which I don't see in Kroger's. So I just bought a jar. Oh my God, I'm gonna sneeze. I think this is a teaspoon. I think I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons. That's really more than 2, but anyway, I put that in, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to it, and get that going. Okay, and then this is literally all I do. This is so easy. I'm cooking on a day where I don't have to cook for the family, because, you know, y'all know they're not vegan. They're not vegetarian. They're not trying to eat like me. So, what I find for anyone who has to do both is I'm on a schedule where they have their food. They have leftovers. So I don't have to cook both on the same day. So if you're trying to eat healthier, but maybe you're the only one in the household that's trying to do it, it's a struggle trying to cook for them and trying to cook for you. I find helpful, because I used to cook for all of us on the same day, and then that was just like so much. Then I also found when I tried to cook on the same day is I would cook their food first, and then I would get too tired and too exhausted to cook my own food. So finally I was like, you know what, Tanya? Cook yours first. I switched it around. I put myself a priority, because, you know, yeah, I can't take care of them if I don't take care of myself. So I made myself the top priority, and I started cooking for me first. So now I'm on a schedule where they have leftovers. I don't have anything, so I did the roasted peppers earlier. The sweet potatoes, they're both in the oven now. Roasted sweet potatoes and then my peppers. So I'm gonna cook. I have 2 packs of these, and you know, so that'll last me for a bit. And then I'll also, I will also, I already have some leftover roasted cauliflower that I made a day or 2 ago. So they won't have any food for tomorrow. So tomorrow I have to cook for them. So it works that I'm not doing both on the same day because it's just so much. Yay. Okay, these are starting. I turned it up some. They're starting to brown. So what I'm going to do is I am going to dump these meatballs, 2 packages. When they're not on sale, they're $6.99 a packet. Yeah, I know that's a lot, but how much would you pay for regular meatballs, turkey meatballs? And then I like to have like some kind of sauce with them. So I just experiment with different things. So this time I bought, it's on sale, Middle Eastern inspired shawarma marinade. It has garlic, fig balsamic vinegar, lemon, and gram masala. What made me buy this one? I'll bring it up so you can see. What made me purchase this one is there were others that were on the shelf, but the others had a lot more sugar. They had sugar in it. This has 0 sugars at all. 15 calories. I don't count calories, but a serving size is 1 tablespoon, and a serving size has 150 milligrams of sodium, 1 gram of carbs, 0 protein, 0.5 fat. So this isn't too bad, and I love that it doesn't have sugar in it. So what you can do is when you have to be careful when you're adding your sauces and your extra goodies to your food, because you might start out really healthy, but cooking with, you know, adding ingredient sauces that are high in sugar or sodium, that's gonna mess up your meal. So this is what I do. I'm dumping these meatballs and I'm gonna turn it down. Okay. Turn it down, brown them as if it was real meat. And I just let them cook for a minute like this. For maybe about 5 minutes, because they're gonna cook, and they're, you know. And then I'm going to pour these in, bring it up and let it boil for, you know, high temp for about a minute or 2, and then I just simmer it on low. And then I will have that over today is going to be some long grain brown rice. You know, it's kind of like hit or miss in the stores now with COVID and all. And yeah, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more garlic powder on it because I like to taste my food, you know. Just because you're a vegan don't mean that you don't like tasty, flavorful food. So don't believe the hype on that, okay? Stir it up. Alright, Mom's gonna be out. Somebody's coming out soon because it's just too quiet. Yep, here she comes. Alright, so I'm just gonna pour it in. Pour another one in. Put a lid on it. And I'll be with you in 1 minute. Hold on, I'm doing a video. Hold on. Okay. Mom, she don't want to be on the video. But anyway, I'm going to put a lid on this. Bring it to a little boil and then let it simmer until it thickens up. And I'll show you what the finished product look like. You don't have to leave. I'm about done. You don't have to leave. Just give me 1 minute. So let it simmer, and then I'll let it thicken up, and then I'll show you a picture or something later when I'm done. But that's it. How many minutes did that take? 9:47. So about 10 minutes. That's super easy. Anybody can do that. All right. Bye.